Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm. I don't have anything on my face because of some of the products in the box, so let's just go ahead and open her up. The little card this month says Boxycharm Road Trippin'. The first product in the box is this Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested looking eyes. I'm ready. This retails for $42. I'm gonna be real. I would never pay $42 for a tube this big. Not even the size of my hand. Maybe I would if it changed my life, but we'll see. So, oh, this is thick. Warm a tiny amount between fingers and gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. I was not expecting that to be orange. For some reason I was expecting it to be clear. Well, honestly I don't see a huge difference, but maybe this is one of those things that you have to use a couple of times before you see a difference. The next thing in the box is this Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. Innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you the perfect brows that will last all day and night. And this retails for $26. Is that how much the brow wiz is? I can't remember. This is actually all the brow pomade or gel that you get. It seems like a small amount, but your eyebrows are small. And then this side is the brush. Normally just never like brushes that come with stuff, but we'll see. It's not really picking anything up. Don't be afraid to dig in. It says it's in the shade taupe, so I assumed it would be way too light for me, but it doesn't look like it. I don't normally use creams or pomades, so I honestly am just not used to this. This little brush, I wish it was a little bit stiffer. But other than that, it's honestly not the worst. Honestly, that was so fast, and I expected it to look ridiculously unnatural, but I don't think that it does. This doesn't look bad at all. I wish the packaging was a little bit different. Like, I don't know if I would use this brush every time. It might be a little bit warm for me, but I don't hate this. This makes me want to try other brow pomades for sure. This is so simple and easy. Definitely more bold, but this was really fast, so I actually think I like this. I might would use my own angled brush for this, but not a bad product. I like it. Now I'm gonna put on the rest of my makeup and then I'll be right back. The next thing in the box is this Wander Beauty Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. Black and intensely glossy. Is mascara normally glossy? It retails for $24. Let's give it a go. It's a little bit like roller lash, but the bristles are obviously not plastic. Usually those kinds of bristles don't really do anything for me, but it wasn't bad either. These are what my lashes look like with the mascara. It's not the worst. It's not blowing my mind either. The next product in the box is this Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher, and I got mine in the shade 05 Desert Rose. Looks like this, and it comes with this little brush. Why do they include these brushes? No one's gonna put their blush on with this tiny ass brush. And this retails for $11.99. Works for all skin types, luminous, paraben free, and it's supposed to prevent dryness. Ooh, that's really pretty, and I put a lot. I like barely did that on my face. It takes like barely any product. I think that is really pretty. I really like that. One thing I didn't like about this is the scent. It smelled a little old lady-ish, so I noticed that when I was on my brush. For that reason, I don't love it. I don't really smell it on my face. I just smelled it when I was applying it and obviously in the compact. But it's a really pretty color and it applied really nicely. The last thing in the box is this Tarte Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. Actually really excited to try this. It's antioxidant packed. Deliver dewy, radiant skin. I like the look of that as long as it's not glittery. It smells like a salad. That would be the cucumber, fruit, and plant extract. I mean, not the worst scent. If you like cucumbers and floral, you'll really like this, but does my skin look more dewy? I feel like you can just see the spots where it's sprayed out. Can you see those little dots? I think I look a little bit more glowy. I feel like you would have to use a lot of this for you to really be glowy. And it's a little sticky. I love the scent on this, so I wouldn't repurchase this. It retails for $25. Overall, this wasn't my favorite box this month. We've definitely gotten more exciting boxes, but it was Still wasn't a bad box. My favorite product was definitely the eyebrow cream, and I was so surprised. I thought I wasn't gonna like it. And the blush was really nice too. The overall value of this month's box was over $128. Let me know down below what you thought of this month's box, or if you got different products in the box, like what you thought of those. But that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! It's me, it's Mario.